Ukraine's long-range drones using Western tech to hit Russia.
Ukrainian drone attacks have been intensified against Russia in recent times. They are creating havoc on the Russian military, as well as civilian infrastructure from Moscow to the bordering area. They have even crossed Crimea and Donbass at Engels Air Base near Kazakhstan, sneaking through heavy Russian air defenses.
Western technology and finance are helping Ukraine carry out hundreds of long-range strikes inside Russia, launching scores of drones simultaneously at strategic targets several times a week. The targets include Air Force bases, oil and ammunition depots, and command centers. Ukrainian firms are now producing hundreds of armed one-way attack drones a month, at a fraction of the cost it takes to produce a similar drone in the West. They include one of Ukraine's largest one-way attack drone manufacturers, as well as a big data company, which has helped develop software for Ukraine to carry out these strikes. The drones are made of wood and are being assembled in furniture factories in Ukraine. It takes about an hour to build the fuselage and half that time to put the brains inside it, the electronics, motor, and explosives. It is not only cheap drones making the difference. Palantir, a large U.S. data analysis company, was one of the first Western tech companies to aid Ukraine's war effort. It started by providing software to improve the speed and accuracy of its artillery strikes. Now it has given Ukraine new tools to plan its long-range drone strikes. The execution of the long-range drone strikes is being coordinated by Ukraine's intelligence agencies, who work in secrecy. Scores of drones can be fired for any one mission, as many as 60 at one target. The attacks are mostly carried out at night. Most will be shot down. As few as 10% may reach the target. Some drones are even shot down along the way by friendly fire, Ukraine's own air defenses. Ukraine has had to work out ways to counter Russian electronic jamming too. Ukraine's long-range drone attacks are creating dilemmas for Moscow. Although Russia has a lot of air defenses, it still cannot protect everything. Ukrainian drones have been spotted more than 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles, inside Russia. They have been shot down over Moscow too. Ukraine clearly believes it could do even more with the help of Western-made long-range weapons so far, rejected by allies. Ukraine is still largely having to rely on its homegrown efforts, convinced that bringing the war to Russia is a key to winning this war. It has forced Russia to move aircraft to bases further away and reduce the frequency of their attacks. Satellite imagery shows how Ukrainian drones have successfully damaged hangars at its Marinovka air base.